Look at that beauty. Brat smashburgers, people, let's get involved, yeah! Hello and welcome to BBQ Jams. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight we've got a great show for you guys. We're gonna be cooking up some Bratwurst smashburgers. It's kind of a, different take on your bratwurst. We're just gonna be smashing them and putting them on a bun. So I think it's gonna be incredible. I can't wait to try these. I'm gonna be putting some of my original OG BBQ Jams Rub on there as well. So who's coming over tonight? We have Brian Crick. He is a newcomer onto the show. He plays guitar, and I can't wait to hear him playing alongside with Steve Wheeler, which is, gonna be a really cool duo. We also have Ryan Cobb coming in on the bass, and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So without further ado, people, let's get involved. Boom! Okay, so what are we using in these Bratburgers tonight? So basically I'm gonna be using some bell pepper, some red and green bell pepper with some red onion. I'm gonna be stir frying those up on the flat top tonight, and then I'll be prepping up these bratwursts here in just a minute. Basically gonna be taking them out of the casing, rolling them into balls, and popping them on the flat top. So pretty straightforward, really easy cook, so here we go. Okay, we are ready to get into these brats. So I'm gonna be taking the casing off these, rolling them into balls, and smashing them on the flat top, which is my Gorilla Grill. So anyway, here we go. Okay guys, I'm gonna finish these up. You guys enjoy these jams, like and subscribe. You know the drill. Come on, people! Time to get these veggies on the flat top of the Gorilla Grills. Gonna throw some avocado oil down. Let's toss them on. And the onion. We're gonna cook these guys down. Then we're gonna be popping on some buns, and then we're gonna smash some of these brats. Alright guys, getting ready to pull the veggies. I'm gonna get ready to smash up some brats, so hang tight.
Are you gonna tell me what you're doing?
I'm just toasting up some buns real quick. Just toasting the buns, give me a second.
You think this guy's running a YouTube channel or something?
Yeah, I know. Woo. Still with me over here, people? Come on. All right. Time to go in with some brats. I'm gonna throw down some oil, throw down some burgers, some brat burgers. Come on, perfect. Now, time to go on with some BBQ Jams Rub. Which, by the way, you guys love it when I say this, I know you do. You can pick up at shopthemerchco.com. Throw a little bit of that OG BBQ Jams Rub on there. Yes, sir. Looking good. Woo! Give them a flip. See how they're looking. Let's double them up. Look at that. Woohoo! Yeah! Oh my God. It's time to assemble, people. Let's go. All right, going on with some veg. Now we're going on with some mustard. Using some spicy brown mustard. Brat, you know, kind of go hand in hand together. Peppers, onions. All right, guys. These people are ready to dive in on these smash burgers, these brat smash burgers. Oh, I can't wait to get a hold of this thing.
Yeah,
I know, dude. Are y'all excited or what?
Look at that.
Okay. Ready?
Go for it.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Wow, man.
Look at that beauty. My first victim over here. Who wants to come in?
We'll bring in Brian.
We gotta bring in Brian.
Brian and
Come
Ryan
on.
both.
Yeah,
so.
he's new here.
Brian Crick coming in. What's up, dude? You excited?
This looks obscene in so many wonderful ways.
Oh my God, I can't wait. Hey, thanks so much for wanting to come on the show and play and you know,
Absolutely.
jam and do the whole night and be a victim of my burgers over here.
This has been incredible. Can't wait to try it out.
Cool, man. Well, hey, let's go in. I have napkins down there too, by the way, if you want them. All right, I'm going in, man. Oh, cheers, sir.
Cheers.
Woo! Oh man. Oh man. Woo!
Fantastic.
Oh, that is a brat burger right there, a brat smash burger. Ooh. Oh man, the that mustard and the onion, the peppers are key. You've got to throw that on there. And the Havarti cheese has gone pretty well with it too. That's pretty good.
That's great. It melted perfectly incorporate with all the other ingredients.
Yeah, not bad, huh? Sweet. Hey, he's still alive, so something must be good over here. This is good. All right, hey, dude. Hey, thanks so much for being on and wanting to hang and be a part of the show. Dude.
Appreciate the invite.
Yeah,
Absolutely,
of course.
man.
Oh, you get some other victims over here. We got Ryan. Oh, hold on. We got Ryan Cobb coming over here too, man. You ready to go in?
Good to be here, man.
Yeah. Tell me what you think. Get involved.
Gotta be excited.
Oh man.
Tasty as well.
Oh, good. The bite's not too bad. Yeah, come on.
Yeah, the mustard's really good.
We got Ashley back over here too. Come on. Grab your side of that thing and see what you think. Yeah, the mustard's actually pretty good, right?
Yeah. Some nice fresh peppers on there.
Oh man.
Wow, seems meaty.
Mmm. It's meaty.
Pretty good.
I know, it's a broad smash burger. It's exciting, right?
Yeah.
It's simplistic, but it works really well together. This is really good. Cool.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Hey, thanks so much for being on the show and wanting to hang and jam and, you know, be a part of the crew over here.
Glad to be
So.
one of your victims.
Woo! Hey, man, do what I can. All right, cool. Boom. There it is. We're crushing it up here, people. We're going to get James Salzer over here as well. And Martine, Quayshow. Come on, guys. Go for it, brother.
All right. Wow.
Oh, man. Whoa!
Mm.
Yeah, the cheese pull. Nice. A lot of good flavors going on in that right there, buddy. Whole different way.
Excellent.
All right,
This thing
cool.
is
I got an
excellent.
excellent out of this guy. That's awesome.
I gotta tell you, all the flavor
Worked really well together, right? Yeah.
Perfect. Awesome.
Oh, dude. Thank you, brother.
Awesome.
Cool.
Brother.
Always a good time having you on here, Martine.
Incredible.
Appreciate you, buddy. And we got James Salzer up
James,
here. You want to come
come
over?
Okay.
He seems very excited.
All right.
Come on down.
Ooh, that's a big thing there.
Here, just grab that side right. You'll be all right.
couldn't find my barbecue jam hat today.
That's
Ooh,
all
look
right.
at that.
Boy, it's like
It's hidden somewhere. Okay, God, this is a lot of food. A lot of interesting flavors in there.
oh yeah.
All these different things in here. And it's wonderful.
Hey, we got a waterfall! Woo! Explosions, confetti, all the stuff. Come on, Jeff, get in there. All right, guys, we are having a great time over here. These smash burgers are killing it. We're gonna catch you guys back here in just a little bit. Go check out these jams. Come on! All right, guys. The smash burgers were incredible. What'd you guys think of the smash burgers?
Oh, yeah. Amazing. Amazing.
Oh my
Awesome.
God, you guys have got to try it. So good. By the way, we have a newcomer over here. We got Brian over here. Come on in, Brian. Chris, what's up, dude? Dude, thanks for being a part of the show tonight and wanting to hang. And I got you some swag, courtesy of the merch company. Thank you very much, Derek Enter. So, dude, got you a hat, got you a shirt.
Love it.
Hooking you up.
Honor and
And it's
privilege.
official. You've been barbecue jammed. Boom! Gotta do it out there. Get the confetti and all the stuff out there. It's so good. Anyway, guys, we're having a great time over here. The jams turned out amazing. The cook turned out incredible. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. And hey, look. Till next time, come on. Let's get involved. Boom!
Involved.
Hey.
Smashing.
Hey.
Woohoo!
Barbecue jam.
Hey,
Barbecue
just-
jam.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Oh, my hands. Wonderful.